Making $100,000 or more in today's job market is a significant milestone that many professionals aspire to achieve. This six-figure salary represents not only financial security but also career success and advancement. While the path to making $100,000 or more per year is challenging, it is certainly attainable with the right strategies, skills, and mindset. In this video, we'll explore how to make $100,000 plus in today's competitive job market. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Now let's get started. Number 1. Understanding the job market. A six-figure income requires a deep understanding of the job market. So your first step to make $100,000 plus in the job market is to understand it. There are different job markets in different fields, and some pay more than others. Some fields like technology, banking, and healthcare are known for having high pay rates. Identifying these high-paying areas through research is the first thing you need to do to make $100,000 or more a year. Also, keeping up with market trends, new job roles, and skills that are in high demand can be very helpful. The job market is always changing, and workers who can adapt to those changes are more likely to get well-paying jobs. Before choosing a career, you should think about which ones match your skills and hobbies and pay well. Also, knowing how the economy affects work availability and pay rates can help you make smart choices about your career. By analyzing the labor market, you can plan your career, target high-paying areas, and position yourself for $100,000 plus jobs. When you know about the job market, you can make decisions that will help you make more money and advance your work. Number 2, invest in education and skills. The key to reaching six figures is making investments in education and skill set. Getting a bachelor's or master's degree in an area that pays well is a great way to increase your earning potential. For better paying jobs in fields like technology, banking, and healthcare, you usually need a master's degree. But formal schooling isn't the only way to be successful. In many well-paying jobs, skills are more important than degrees. Expertise in areas like programming, data analysis, and digital marketing is in great demand. You can get these skills quickly and easily through online classes, certifications, and workshops. Since new tools and methods come out all the time, it's important to keep learning in today's fast-paced job market. You can stay competitive by keeping up with changes and trends in your field. Getting more than one set of skills also makes you more flexible and appealing to companies. You can improve your chances of getting well-paying jobs by putting money into your schooling and skill development. This positive approach to learning and self-improvement sets you up for jobs where you can make $100,000 or more a year. Number 3, leverage networking. Networking is a powerful tool for achieving a six-figure income. By building a strong professional network, you may be able to find high-paying jobs that aren't publicly advertised. Attending conferences and seminars and interacting with people in your field through social media sites like LinkedIn can help you make connections and learn new things. Networking lets you learn from other people's mistakes, get inside information about your industry, and keep up with career trends. Building relationships with mentors can help you succeed in your work by giving you advice and support. Networking can also lead to job recommendations, which are often very important for getting high-paying jobs. Referrals from people who work in the same field as you make you more credible and trustworthy to possible employers. It takes consistent work and real participation to build and keep up a strong business network. Through active participation in professional communities, sharing your knowledge, and helping others, you can build a reputation as a useful and trustworthy professional. You have a better chance of making $100,000 or more if you use networking well. Number 4, develop a personal brand. Creating a personal brand is important if you want to stand out in today's job market and make $100,000. An effective personal brand shows off your knowledge, skills, and unique selling point. Start by making a professional online profile with a blog or a personal website through platforms like LinkedIn. Highlight your projects, achievements, and work history. Share your industry insights regularly, join important discussions, and write content that shows you are an expert and a thought leader. Good personal branding makes you stand out from other applicants and draws potential employers. It also helps you build a reputation as an expert in your field. Moreover, personal branding goes beyond just having an online presence. You communicate and interact with others. How you act in business settings and how you interact with others all affect your personal brand. Keeping a good brand requires being consistent and real. Creating a strong personal brand boosts your exposure and trustworthiness, making it simpler to get high-paying jobs and get better salaries. Number 5, negotiate your salary. Mastering the art of salary negotiation is essential if you want to make six figures. Many professionals take the first offer, missing out on substantial wages. For pay negotiations to go well, you need to be well prepared and sure of yourself. Find out how much the average person in your job, level of experience, and industry makes. Sites like Glassdoor and PayScale can be very helpful. You should be ready to talk about your skills and successes and how they help the company. Show specific examples of what you've done and how it has helped people in past jobs. It is important to talk about not only the base salary, but also the benefits, bonuses, and stock options that are part of the total pay package. Keep in mind that companies often expect applicants to negotiate. Doing so shows that you know what you're worth and how much you can command in the job market. By effectively negotiating your salary, you can get a higher starting wage and lay the groundwork for future salary rises, helping you earn $100,000 plus. Number 6, consider high-paying industries. Certain companies are known for paying more, which makes them appealing to people who want to make 6 figures a year. In the tech, finance, and healthcare industries, for instance, even mid-level jobs often make 6 figures. Computer science jobs like software engineers, data scientists, and cybersecurity experts are in high demand and pay a lot. Careers in finance that pay well include investment bankers, financial analysts, and accountants. Medical workers like doctors, pharmacists, and nurse practitioners also make a lot of money. Finding and pursuing high-paying jobs in businesses can greatly increase your earning potential. Finding the best job for your skills and interests means looking into salary ranges, business trends, and job requirements. Upskilling or getting more education may be needed to move into a high-paying field, but the effort can pay off in a big way financially. Focusing on industries and jobs that are known to pay well will help you improve your chances of making $100,000 or more a year. If you want to make 6 figures, strategic industry targeting is a must. Number 7, pursue leadership roles. Pursuing leadership roles is a proven path to achieving a 6-figure income. Leadership positions like managers, directors, and executives usually get paid more and get extra perks. Gain technical skills, work experience, and soft skills like communication, problem-solving, and team management to move up the business ladder. Explore leadership roles in your company, such as project management, coaching younger employees, or taking part in strategic planning. You can get promoted to higher-paying jobs if you show that you can lead teams, get things done, and make decisions. For more advanced training and getting ready for top jobs, leadership development classes and executive education courses are also good options. Making connections with current leaders and looking for a mentor can help you navigate your job path and give you valuable advice. If you regularly aim for leadership roles and show that you can handle more responsibility, you can greatly increase your earning potential. For people who want to make $100,000 or more a year, leadership roles are essential because they not only pay more, but also offer chances for career and financial growth. Number 8, explore entrepreneurial ventures. To make a 6-figure income, exploring entrepreneurial ventures can be very profitable. If your business or freelance work succeeds, you could make more than traditional employment. Find a need or niche in the market that fits your skills and hobbies. Make a good business plan, study the market, and get the money and other tools you need to start your business. Being an entrepreneur means you have to be dedicated, strong, and ready to take risks. You can choose your clients, set your prices, and grow your business. You can also make a lot of money as a freelancer by working in areas that are in high demand like consulting, graphic design, or software development. As a self-employed person, you can make a 6-figure income by getting more clients, doing good work, and adding more services. Using online marketplaces and platforms can also help you meet more people and get more customers. By trying out business ideas and working on growth and new ideas, you can make a lot of money and be financially successful outside of traditional jobs, making $100,000 or more a year. That's all for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.